looking for speed, style and excitement right out of the box. The world of ready-to-run RTR. RC cars in 2025 has never been faster or more thrilling. From high-speed road racers to rugged off-road beasts, these top 15 picks deliver unmatched performance, durability and fun, no assembly required. Here are the best fast RTR RC cars of 2025. Arrma TYPHON Mega 6 65 4x4. The Arrma TYPHON Mega 665 4x4 is built for next level buggy bashing at an incredible value of $259.99. This 1/8 scale RTR racing buggy combines power, durability and upgrade potential. Featuring a high-speed Mega 665 brushed motor, it's designed for fast action right out of the box, requiring only a battery and charger. With a brushless ready 3S transmission, you can easily step up performance when you're ready. The overload coupling protects the drivetrain, while the sleek TYPHON buggy body features a clipless retention system for quick, secure access. Bigger, tougher, and smarter. Perfect for beginners and growing enthusiasts alike. Traxxas Ultimate Raptor R. The Traxxas Raptor R 4x4. Ultimate takes performance and durability to the next level. Powered by the Force VXL system, it blasts past 60 plus miles per hour, right out of the box with no gearing changes required. Strength meets style with aluminum GTR, shocks featuring TIN shafts, colour-matched aluminum suspension components, and a steel spur gear centre differential with 20 million fluid for precise power delivery. The 2275 metal gear servo with BEC tuning ensures sharp control, while Bluetooth telemetry compatibility adds real-time performance data. Available in striking orange or titanium body options, it's ready for 5000 mAh 4S packs for ultimate speed and endurance. LOSI Micro T. The LOSI Micro T two-wheel drive. Stadium truck brings big racing excitement in a small, affordable package. At just $129.99, it's fully assembled, ready to run, and includes everything you need right out of the box. Just charge the battery and go. Despite its micro size, it packs serious speed, reaching over 13 miles per hour, and features durable construction to handle bumps, jumps, and everyday racing fun. Its realistic design, adjustable tuning, and smooth handling make it perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike. Whether indoors or outdoors, the Micro T delivers pure RC thrills without the high costs, making it the ultimate entry point into RC racing. Traxxas Pro Scale Sand Car. The Traxxas Pro Scale Sand Car X Series is a massive leap in performance and scale realism, built even longer and wider than the legendary X Max. As the largest in the X Series lineup, it delivers unmatched presence and capability. Key highlights include scale-accurate details, functional front disc brakes, belted paddle tyres for maximum traction, and a durable internal tube frame. Powered by the high-output VXL8S system, it offers blistering speed and control. The precision driveline ensures smooth power delivery, while high-visibility whip lights add style and visibility. Designed for extreme sand action, it's the ultimate desert-dominating RC machine. Team Coralie Punisher 4. The Team Coralie Punisher 4 is built for those who crave extreme RC action. Featuring the iconic Punisher body design, This monster truck is engineered on the rugged SYNCRO 4 platform, delivering high-performance brushless power, heavy-duty CVDs, and oil-filled differentials. Whether you're blasting through rough terrain, soaring over jumps, or pushing the limits of durability, the Punisher 4 thrives under pressure. Ready to run right out of the box, it's available in bold red, green, or blue finishes. Aggressive, powerful, and precise, the Punisher 4 offers relentless performance for hardcore bashers. Dominate the trails and unleash your RC fury today. Team Corrali KAGAMA Limited Edition. The Team Corrali KAGAMA Limited Edition is a true collector's powerhouse and built for elite RC enthusiasts. Based on the legendary KAGAMA chassis, this special edition comes fully loaded with premium 7075 aluminum tuning components for unmatched strength and precision. Powering the beast is the Grizzly 945 2100 kV motor, paired with the limited edition Torox 185 electronic speed controller and the OC32 high torque servo, ensuring raw speed and flawless control. Finished in a striking gold, each of the 999 units is individually numbered, never to be produced again. No compromises, no second runs, only pure exclusivity and performance. LOSI's 22 Sprint Car. The LOSI 22S Sprint Car is a ready-to-run RC built for authentic dirt oval racing. Featuring proven 22S race geometry, a powerful brushless system, and removable wings, it delivers both realism and performance. Scale details include moulded exhaust, a hand-painted driver with safety gear, and a full interior for unmatched authenticity. Officially licensed Hoosier soft compound tyres provide excellent grip, with harder compounds available for high-wear surfaces. Whether on a true clay oval or a simple backyard track, the 22S Sprint offers thrilling, realistic handling and endless fun, making it the perfect entry point into competitive RC sprint car racing. Arrma TYPHON 223 SBLX. Unleash the thrill of brushless power with the Arrma TYPHON 223 SBLX. This 1/8 scale race buggy is designed for both beginners and pros, offering speeds of 35+ miles per hour on 2S and an incredible 50+ miles per hour on 3S power. Built tough with a heavy-duty transmission and all-terrain suspension, it's ready to dominate any surface. Featuring Spectrum DSC, dynamic stability control, and throttle limiting, you'll stay in command while pushing limits. Arrives ready to run. Just add your battery and charger. Go big, go fast, and take your RC experience to the next level with Arrma. Arrma KRATON 6S EXB RTR. The Arrma KRATON 6S EXB RTR is the ultimate 1/8 scale monster truck built for extreme bashers who live for power, speed, and durability. Engineered with extreme bash EXB enhancements, it features a reinforced chassis and toughened suspension system to handle the hardest jumps and roughest terrain. The iconic KRATON body now comes with a clipless, quick-release system for easy access, while premium Spectrum electronics and the SLT3 transmitter ensure precise, responsive control. Designed to deliver ballistic speed and insane stunts right out of the box, it's fully RTR. Just add your battery and charger to unleash the beast. Traxxas Jato 4x4 VXL. The Traxxas Jato 4x4 VXL is a 1/8 scale brushless electric buggy engineered for extreme speed and durability. Powered by a Valinian 540 XL motor and VXL 4S waterproof ESC, it reaches 60+ miles per hour on 4S LiPo power. Its low CG chassis with an aluminum T-bar stiffener ensures precise handling, while extreme heavy-duty suspension, steel gear differentials, and aluminum GTR shocks maximize strength and traction. A clipless body allows quick access, and Response Pro tyres deliver grip on any surface. The TQI 2.4 GHz radio with TSM stability management provides precise control, with optional Bluetooth telemetry for real-time performance monitoring. Team Corrali SYNCRO. The Team Corrali SYNCRO is a high-performance RTR, ready-to-run, brushless buggy, built for both casual bashing and competitive track driving. Featuring a 3mm aluminum chassis with reinforced side guards and hybrid chassis bracing, it delivers exceptional durability and rigidity. Its suspension system includes 16mm oil-filled big bore shocks, pillow ball front suspension, and double wishbone rear suspension for superior handling. Power comes from a robust brushless motor, Pulse G 2135 ESC, and CRHV 72 25HV metal gear servo, ensuring speed, torque, and control. With sealed differentials, steel components, 17mm aluminum hexes, and striking polycarbonate bodies, the SYNCRO guarantees performance and style. Traxxas Jato 4x4 BL2S. The Traxxas Jato 4x4 is a ready-to-race 1/8 scale, brushless 4-wheel drive, buggy engineered for extreme performance. Featuring the BL2's brushless system with a 3,300 kV motor and waterproof ESC, it delivers explosive acceleration, selectable drive modes, and reliable cooling. The clipless body system, high downforce wing, and low CG chassis provide stability and easy maintenance. Built tough, it comes pre-equipped with the extreme heavy-duty upgrade kit, hardened steel differentials, and max-duty drive shafts. GTR oil-filled shocks and massive sledgehammer tyres on 3-inch buggy wheels ensure superior handling on any terrain, while the TQI 2.4 GHz radio offers precise, long-range control. Traxxas BIGFOOT 4x4. The Traxxas BIGFOOT 4x4, priced at just $329.95, is built to dominate any terrain with style and power. Featuring the iconic clipless BIGFOOT No. 8 body, this monster truck combines authentic looks with unmatched durability. Outfitted with factory-installed extreme heavy-duty components, it's engineered to withstand brutal punishment, whether you're tackling jumps, rough tracks, or backyard trails. With its rugged design and legendary BIGFOOT heritage, this 4x4 guarantees non-stop thrills and all-day fun. Perfect for both stadium action and off-road adventures, the Traxxas BIGFOOT 4x4 brings monster truck excitement to life in a tough, ready-to-run package. Arrma Big Rock 223 SBLX. The Arrma Big Rock 223 SBLX is built for pure power and durability, offering brushless bashing performance at an incredible value of just $339.99. With its aggressive styling, scale realism, and all-terrain capability, This 4x4 monster truck is ready to dominate dirt, gravel and pavement. Capable of reaching speeds over 50+ miles per hour, it lets you start on 2S power and step up to 3S for even greater thrills. No upgrades or extra vehicles required. Designed for toughness and fun, the Big Rock 223S BLX is perfect for both beginners and seasoned RC drivers. Traxxas Mini / 4x4. Meet the Traxxas Mini / 4x4, a compact short course truck built on the tough Mini Max platform. Designed for speed, control and durability, it features a 235mm wheelbase, scale-accurate stance and a desert racing-inspired body for authentic looks. Equipped with licensed BF Goodrich IE, KM3 tyres, Max Slash wheels, steel gear differentials and the BL2S brushless ready system, it hits speeds over 30+ miles per hour on 2S power. The clipless body makes maintenance fast and easy, while compatibility with Minimax accessories ensures endless customization. From backyard bashing to skate park runs, the Mini / 4x4 delivers massive fun and performance in a portable, ready-to-race package.